How to download games for free in PC and laptop. So if you want to download games for free in PC or laptop, then what you need to do, first you just need to simply go with Epic Games. So the first one is Epic Games Launcher. You just need to simply search for the Epic Games Launcher and download that. Just go with download the Epic Games Launcher, which will be on the first option. And it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has download option, and download the Epic Games Launcher. Once you've downloaded the Epic Games Launcher on your Windows or on your laptop, then what you need to do is just open it up. Here you will have the Epic Games Launcher right here, which I've already installed. So you just need to simply open that, and it will ask you to sign in or create your account. Just go with the following steps. So just go and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you will get this kind of interface where you can just simply go with browse option. Under browse, you can go with filters, and here under filters, you can simply go with the free option. So under your price, you will have free option. Just simply go with free, and here you will have all of the free games. So you can simply click on any game, and then you will be able to play games right here. Now, if you don't have the game that you are searching for in this Epic Games Launcher, then the next one is you can just go with your browser again, and you will have Steam. So just simply search for Steam and go with the first, which says welcome to Steam. And once you go with it, now it will have this kind of interface where you can just simply go with install Steam, which is on the upper right, and then you can install your Steam. Once you install Steam, you can simply launch the Steam application and click on yes. It might take some time to launch, so just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Now, once you've opened, it may ask you to sign in or create your account, so go with the following steps and do it. And once you've done, you just need to simply go with the store option right here. Once you go with store, here you will have categories. Just go under the categories option. Now under categories, here you will have free option. Here on the upper left, you will have free to play. Just click on it. And here you will have all of the games that are free, and you can install the application without any price, and you'll be able to play those games for free. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.